Is the reign of SWIFT coming to an end? At Axivra, we're watching a silent revolution in how the world moves money. In late 2025, Project mBridge, a multi-CBDC platform, hit a massive milestone of $55 billion in transactions. This isn't just another tech pilot. By linking the central bank digital currencies of major economies like China, the UAE, and potentially India through the 2026 BRICS Bridge initiative, mBridge allows for near-instant, peer-to-peer cross-border payments. The catch: it bypasses the Western-led SWIFT system entirely. This creates a parallel financial universe where transactions are programmable and shielded from traditional sanctions. As the US dollar's role in global trade is challenged by these new digital rails, Axivra helps you understand the geopolitical shift behind your digital wallet. The future of money isn't just digital, it's decentralized from the old guard. Subscribe to Axivra to see where the capital